Hello everyone, are you ready for a little adventure? I'm Danish and today I'm going to take you on a trip to one of the most beautiful islands in southern Thailand, Bulolei Island, in Stone Province. Let's go! As soon as you arrive, you will see crystal clear blue water, soft by sandy beaches and peaceful atmosphere. It's the perfect place to relax and enjoy nature. There are so many fun things to do here. You can swim, go snorkeling to see colorful fish and beautiful coral reef. Paddle, kayak, or simply take a walk along the beach while enjoy fresh sea breeze. Don't forget the food. Bulolei Island is famous for delicious fresh seafood. The friendly local people also make you feel welcome. Just like you are at home. So if you are looking for a place to escape the busy city and relax holiday, Bulolei Island is perfect destination. What are you waiting for? Pack your bag, bring your camera, and come explore this beautiful island with your family and friends. I hope to see you here someday. Thank you for joining me on this trip. See you next time. Bye.